This presentation on repairing bad credit is brought to you by BetterCreditFacts.com. Why might you need to repair bad credit? Often it's because you've already applied for a loan and have been turned down, and often that's how you find out that you might have some bad credit items on your credit history, on your credit report, and those credit items may have lowered your credit score, which is often the primary reason for being turned down. Another way or reason for repairing your credit is because you're about to apply for a loan and you want to clean your credit up first. You may already know that there are some late payments out there from way back when, or even some other stronger credit items like charge-offs or judgments. So there are several things that you can remove from your credit history and your credit report. These include charge-offs, judgments, repossessions, late payments, and even bankruptcy. Not always, but you can't always remove all of these items, but many of them you can. The next question we often get is it legal to repair your credit or to remove bad credit items from your report? And the answer is yes. There is a federal law called the Fair Credit Reporting Act that requires that credit agencies give you the opportunity to dispute credit items, and when you do, they are required to investigate that. And if they cannot come up with proof, or the company that put those items on your credit history cannot come up with proof, then they must be removed from your credit report. So an interesting question to ask yourself, and it's helpful to see how valuable it is to go through removing bad credit items, is to see how much more credit costs you if you do have some of these bad credit items or a lower credit score. Using the example of a car loan, you will have a higher interest rate if you have a lower credit score, and that can cost you thousands of dollars over 5 years. This example here shows a $20,000 car loan paid off over 5 years. If you have a 4 or 10% higher credit rate because of your credit score, you're going to pay $4,000 to $8,000 more on that car. The same thing happens with a home mortgage, although the numbers are much more dramatic, and you can be paying as much as $100,000 more for your home just with a simple 5% increase in your interest rate. And that can happen if you have credit items, bad credit items that is, on your credit history. So for more information, we suggest heading over to BetterCreditFacts.com. This is the company that brought this video to you, and they focus on helping people improve their credit score by removing bad credit items.